is it, Sadie?
It's a cat.
Is it a kitchen?
Yeah.
Is it a kitchen? That's so bad.
You okay?
Well, Santa.
Go, honey, go!
Hold on.
What is it, Sadie?
It's a Tinkerbell kitchen.
What is it?
What is it?
Look at this picture. Matt.
What are you doing? What are you supposed to do with that?
Wow.
Sadie, is that what you've been wanting? You've been wanting a kitchen?
I got her stomping it, Papa.
Right when it came out, I was like, what?
You're supposed to step on it?
Sadie was a slow starter opening, but boy, look at her go now.
Kitty Cat toys.
I still can't believe you brought your kitty cat toys.
They're for the cats, don't worry. Not crazy.
She said she asked Santa for cat toys. Okay?
You need to pull it up.
Oh, what's that? Another dress. Hold
Put
on.
it on.
Come here, Sadie. You're stuck in the nets. Here, let me hold it up and put it on over your head. Gotta undo the back so you can get it on.
Gosh.
And
What?
there you go.
Oh, you got a princess.
Hang on.
Oh my gosh. Oh, it's beautiful.
Here, I'll hook you in the back. Hang on. Let me hook your dress. There you go. Let's see. Oh my goodness.
She's a princess. She ain't no princess, she's a queen.
Are you a queen?
Where's your head? Where's your head thing? Where's your crown?
Yeah, put your crown on.
What'd you do? And your shoes are over
And the
there.
shoes. Here. Let's see these.
Hold on, don't take it off. No, you're taking it off.
Sadie, can I get a picture first? Can you put it back on so I can take a
I
picture?
believe I have an iPod now.
It's
I don't need that. You just play. You just play it like.
Copes, I want you to go brush your teeth. You need to get dressed. Your dad's going to be here shortly. Wow. Cool. What?
Text him to see if he's really going to be on. Before he's going to see you. I know he's not going to be here until.
Right out.